This is a strategy that I use to win over 40 trades in a row. So I'm going to share with you guys the general framework of two styles of trading that I like to do. One that is following a trend, and then one that is anticipating reversals. And I have tons of videos diving into these strategies, but I'm going to give you a very quick crash course on these so that you understand it. And then at the end of the video, I'll put a playlist so you can sort of dive into these a little bit deeper. First strategy is going to be a continuation. So it's going to be a process of following a current trend. So what's needed for this is something called the IT Foundation Indicator, which basically is going to give you a 20, 50, and a 200-day moving average. Now, think of a moving average as just a plotted line that's taking the average price over time and just sort of drawing a line underneath it. So the shorter term moving averages that are just taking, say, 20 increments of data are going to be more reactive to temporary price action. And then as we go to the 50, it's a little bit less responsive, and the 200 is the least responsive and give us a confirmation on the general direction of the trend. These are all red. As soon as the 20 is over the 50, over the 200, you'll notice that's oftentimes when you get a large enough shift in the direction of the market to have a continuation. So once we have our moving averages on our chart, basically we're picking an overall trend direction. So in this example, when we have all of these moving averages turning green, markets moving generally up, all I'm doing is using this tool here on TradingView, and I'm finding an area once these are all green where there's a noticeable high before a pullback. This is a strategy that I use to win over 40 trades in a row. You can also see our private team members doing things like 69 trades in a row, multiplying their accounts like crazy because you can take so many of these trades in a row and find tons of them in a single trading session and be able to follow trends as they develop.